You're checking your email when a familiar alert pops up, a message from your bank asking you to confirm a transaction. It looks legitimate, so you click the link and enter your details. But what you don't know is that you've just handed your credentials to a hacker. This is phishing, and it's one of the most dangerous online threats. Now, imagine a world where phishing attempts are completely useless. No matter how convincing the fake websites or emails are, they can't trick you. This is where physical security keys come in, and they're quickly becoming the best defense against these attacks. So what exactly are they? A physical security key is a small device you carry with you, and it's used to authenticate your identity when logging into websites. Think of it like a key to your house. Only the right key will open the door. What makes these keys so effective against phishing is that they don't rely on passwords or PINs, which can be stolen. Instead, they use something called public key cryptography, which means even if a hacker tricks you into entering your details, they can't access your account without the physical key in hand. Here's the twist. Phishing attacks often rely on tricking you into revealing your login credentials. But with a security key, you're forced to physically interact with the device itself, proving it's you and not some hacker in disguise. The key creates a secure, one-time code that's virtually impossible to replicate. And it's not just about security, it's about simplicity. Unlike two-factor authentication apps that require codes and sometimes unreliable backup options, a physical security key works seamlessly. You simply plug it into your device or tap it on your phone and you're in. No fuss, no complexity, just ironclad protection. Now, there are many ways to protect yourself from phishing, but nothing is as effective or straightforward as having a physical security key. Whether it's for your email, bank accounts, or any other service that requires login, this little device ensures that only you can access your accounts. In a world where hackers are getting smarter and more sophisticated, your password alone is no longer enough. If you want to truly secure your digital life, the best defense is in your pocket, and it's a physical security key.